Hey, what is happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? And thank you for tuning into Rules for Rebels. Today is 10/16, October 16th, and we had a new merch update come across the dashboard today. So this isn't going to be nearly as exciting as the last couple of updates we've had. The most recent update we had, I believe, was about the rollout of the new policy that allows marijuana shirts, drug shirts, swear words, cussing on t-shirts. That was pretty big news. It opens up a lot of new niches. Prior to that, we had the rollout of the Amazon AMS program, the Amazon advertising program or pay-per-click program that allows you to run sponsored ads, and it was kind of specifically rolled out and tailored to merch sellers. I know not everybody had gotten their codes yet, but I've been talking to a number of people. I've seen a number of people posting questions, and it seems like even people down at tier 100, tier 500 have gotten their codes. Just one surprising thing about that, I've noticed most people have still not tried ads. A lot of other people I've seen like telling people, oh, don't use them, they're a waste of time. And I'll be the first one to say I wasn't really that excited when I heard about the ads come out. And still, if given my choice, I'd probably say I'd just rather not have them, period. But I have been running the ads, and here we are a couple weeks in, and it has been profitable for me thus far. It started off really good. It's been becoming less and less profitable over the last couple weeks, but I still am in the green running the ads, and as long as it's like break even or profitable, I'm going to keep running them, because the more sales you get, the higher you rank in search, the higher your BSR score goes, and hopefully you'll sell more shirts organically. But moving on to today's news, again, not nearly as exciting as some of the previous announcements, and really in the grand scheme of things, this probably isn't going to affect you that much. Let's just go ahead and read it. To provide options to more customers, we are adding 4 new t-shirt sizes. Women's 2XL and kids 2 and 3 will be available for both t-shirt styles. So that refers to standard t-shirts and premium t-shirts. And women's XXL will be offered for standard fit t-shirts. Starting today, new t-shirt submissions will automatically include these new sizes, and we will add new sizes to existing t-shirts over the next few months. If a t-shirt was added on or after December 16th, 2017, editing it will also add to the new sizes. Some colors, sizes may be listed as unavailable on product details, but these options will be enabled as soon as inventory becomes available. So, again, this isn't really huge news. I mean, this is one of those things that's positive in the sense that the more products we have, the more sizes we have, the more choices we have for buyers, it's only going to benefit us as sellers. But ultimately, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, men's t-shirts seem to be what sells the best. Like, women's t-shirts don't really sell that well. I've ordered my girlfriend a number of t-shirts, both men and women's. My girlfriend doesn't really like how the women's fit. She doesn't really like the style of them. Most of my negative reviews come from women's t-shirts. Everybody tends to say that they run small. I can say probably almost every negative review I've ever had happened to be on a women's shirt, and people were like, large, this fits more like a medium. So, it seems like not very many people are selling kid sizes, unless you specifically target kid shirts. I don't think that many people buy women's sizes. I don't tend to have a ton of sales come from women's sizes. So I don't think this is really huge news. But again, more choices is always good. I know today's news wasn't that exciting, but whenever we get updates on the dashboard, I always try to bring you guys a video. So I figured I would cover it anyway. Let me know your thoughts on this. Drop a comment in the comment section below. If you guys want to tell us how your merch sales are going, how the beginning of Q4 is, or if you have any questions, whatever you got to say, drop it in the comment section below. That's all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, and we will catch you on the next video, guys. Later.